Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Emmanuel Judy. Welcome back to Emmanuel Judy YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming to my YouTube channel, please, you are highly welcome. Consider to press the red button that says subscribe and press the notification bell so you will be the first somebody to notify anytime I upload a new video here in this channel. So today's topic, my beloved people, it's a sad topic. It's a sad news. I called it to the write-up for net. They said that 32 Nigerians were deported from Germany on Thursday. My God, really? For real? 32 Nigerians were deported from Germany on Thursday. I don't really know why I say German. They know they quit the answer them. That is number one thing. They'll come for Gemma. They know they quit, they accept them, they'll give them accommodation, good home, they'll give them house, they pay them every month. They make them feel at home. But at the end of the day, they will just come, package them, go dump them for Bongo. Which is not really good. Make our people, they use am, make dem dey add am to their sense, say na so these people dey always dey do us. They no dey quick dey answer us. At the end of the day, they will still go draw some, go put them for Bongo. Yes, make we dey use am dey get sense. They know their way, their secrets. Make we not just dey feel say they just dey pay us money, that they give us money, they give us house, we just think say everything is okay. No, it's not okay. Everything is not okay. As soon say they never answer you, get that two mind, say everything is not okay. It's not yet okay. It's not okay yet. As it is never dey okay. They never give you documents, they never give you house. Now there you see some people say they never give them document, they never give them better place to stay. They just give them hand, make them stay. They do pass their self for inside their hand and make them dey. They never know what those people they do, want do to them, what the pride they have for them. They don't know the kind of pride they have for them to focus on their life, reason how they would say move on. I get friend now, maybe say he come Deutschland, let me say now 3 years. According to her, she don't spend 3 years with her family for Deutschland now. Now 3 years now she dey pursue right now. Very soon she will complete the 3 years for Deutschland. Still yet they no answer them. The case they court, they carry lawyer for the case. She tell me say the case, the lawyer no dey even say anything about it at all. The lawyer don't say anything about the case at all. No provement for the case, no new law, no new thing, nothing new thing no dey come out from the case. New law no dey come out from the case, say na so they want do am. No lie, the lawyer no dey talk. So my brother, my sister, if you too see that issue, say since you take come Deutschland, they no answer you, and you get lawyer, your lawyer no dey talk anything, no dey even dey send you letter, he don't say anything about it. My brother, my sister, as in, just decide to have two minds, say anything can happen. If they say comot, no be only Deutschland there for the maker. You know, say for the lands, may not be your father's land. The land may be say no be our land. Now so it go be. As it be for Mr. A, you know they be for Mr. B like that. They allow your friends stay there. Say they must allow you stay. My brother, my sister, you know they work like that. Say they allow your friends stay there. You too, you will see they kill yourself for there. They must let you stay. It's not, you know, they work like that. It's not like that. It takes the grace of God. It takes the grace of God. It takes the grace of God. Boy all Europe, it's really not easy to get documents for the land of Europe because they accept Arab. They accept Arab more than Nigeria. They even as like Sumaya, they like to accept Sumaya more than we Nigerians. They don't too much like Nigeria. They don't too like to give Nigerians place to stay. Give them a better chance for them to stay. You go see people, all those people make them be say they always they deport. Come and get the information. Come and check it well. Then you will see say that after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, all those why be say they not quick answer them, make they just know wetin they go do. Some people dey this lot Dutchland for 11 years, 12 years, they no get documents. They no get documents. They no dey answer them at all at all. So my sister, so my brother, you may want come across this video later. Anytime you across this video, my brother, my advice to you say, if they say comot, my dear, just gather your mind, just quickly find a place to go. There is life, there is hope. I know say Dutchland na a place where it be say everybody like to stay there. Everybody like to stay Dutchland. Everybody like to come to Dutchland. But it really not easy to make am for Dutchland. Not be only Dutchland. As I first talk before say, not be only Dutchland. Now all European, it's not really easy to have documents for here, for Europe. It's not really easy, but it take the grace of God to make it in the land of Europe. Anywhere you dey, my brother, if you dey say go, just kukuma shift your load, go front by yourself, then go dump you for Bongo. It to say that place good, you for not live there. You for there na your country, na nothing like home. But because say there no good, that is why they can't carry them come back. Now they can't dey happy say nothing like home. Here is your home. Just stay there. Ah. So my brother, my sister, if you then say comot abeg, dodo, if they say comot abeg, just kukuma shift your load, go front, my brother, my sister, go just kukuma abroad na abroad. Not be only Germany you go, not be only Germany they stay make am for abroad. If you still see another place, you go still make am for there. Or if na to go back, if na Italy you for the come, you go there. If na Sweden you for the come, you better go back for where you for the come from before. It really not easy. We made dey Dutchland for here, we know say it really not easy. What the things made them they do, it really not they fair. It's not fair. The things made that they do, it's not really fair. They not they quit the answer Nigeria. They don't need Nigerians. You will go meet lawyer. The lawyer will tell some people saying Nigeria no get grant for here. But if we try, what it can do, it will try to do something about it. Now so the case go take day there, that go they pay and small money. Somebody will say, so now later now they will give me documents. I go find job. I dey work till they take care of myself and my family. You know say their minds, wetin they go do to ram for, wetin they go do to ram tomorrow. You don't know wetin dey their mind. You don't know their next prime. So my brothers and sisters, that is why you need to know, you need to be aware of these things. Don't go let them go jump you for Bongo just like that when you never ready to go. They'll go just go jump the person for some Bongo, drop the somebody for Bongo when you never ready to go. You never ready to go that Bongo. Bongo may never ready to go, may never wish to go. They will just carry and go jump and for there. Not be say they carry them so they know they let allow them pick any of their property. Now so their property go there. Now so all of their property go there. That my second advice to my Benjamins right now be say, if we now be say now find ourselves for this issue, now they Heim. Yeah, na Heim they call am for here, for Dutchland, na Heim. If una dey home, make una no dey too dey buy things, dey buy, cause some people dey dey home, they never get documents, they'll go buy car for credit. They never get documents, they go dey buy things for their house. They no know their next prime, they no know the next prime make they get for them, they no know the kind prime make they get for them. They begin to dey do things, for them to dey save the little change for them in case say they say comot. If you then say comot, you comot, because they no really get fixed time. They can never tell you say so day like this, then they come. Oh, then they come your place, come carry you, go drop you for bongo. They know they tell somebody. They really know they tell somebody like that. You know, they really they work like that. They know they tell somebody like that. They know they tell somebody like that. My people, make una use am. Make we dey add more sense to our sense every day. Make we dey add more sense to our sense every day. Make we try. Make we dey add more sense to our sense every day. As in this thing, na wetin they always dey do. You know, say since this year, colonial virus all over the world. So e can't eat that then for deportation. And the colonial virus never even see finish. Now they can't start again. First they say now that will they carry the people, go they drop them for where they feel come. If na Italy, na Sweden, na Switzerland, na Spain, anywhere they for come from before, where they felt there before, they'll go drop them for there before. But now not be so again. They'll go drop them for bongo. They'll go drop them for bongo. They don't break those people's hearts. They are human beings. They don't break their hearts. They are human beings. So, my beloved people, until I see you again next time in this same channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Follow me by clicking that red button that says subscribe, and press the notification bell so you will be the first somebody to notify anytime I upload a new video here in this channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. I appreciate you all. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please don't forget to drop your comments. Drop your comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Yeah, just drop it. Feel free to drop your comment down there below. Until I see you again in my next video. Cheers. Bye.